Ka election sya ka Lok Sabha po ka Parliament lada ka day ban yat bet kat kum ka jingkut jong ka samoy traikam kan long house number 1 arja arpusaw bad po ka Jylla ki member of Parliament sya Lok Sabha ki don tang arngut uwe ude bomi khmat na ka Shillong constituency bad ka wei ka day natura constituency. Kumta hapo ka ni ka Jylla ka election MP ka Julong na ka banta ki Artli ki constituency. Dangshan ka wei ka college hapo ka nong ba Shillong ka St. Mary's College ka college ka badai kerpang ki kentai lingba ka political science department ka lapenlong ya ka mock parliament pat lala banyo I ya ka Jingeh banta Shitraham jong ki Samla Pule ban ya tai halor ki mat ki bahap hapo ka Shillong smart city. Na ka Jingeh bagi Samla Pule ki long ki balapan krep ha lingba ka Jingeh jingkersan jong ki nohikai kala penlong yo Shillong Mail Kyrwoh ka Atiar banyak keren bat kini ki Samla hadin balawai kini ka mock parliament bat kini ki Jingeh keren kini ki Samla ki lapan pau bakup ki Samla ki thrang manyo ki noyalam ki badon kasur bandra ka Jingeh ki patba ka Jylla syadu parliament.
Silence! And what about the quality of water supply? Silence! 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 Rakam Samla, Dr. M3. Please maintain silence. Only the concerned person will answer this question. Thank you.
Aku dah fi include ki ministers naka opposition party jong ka Meghalaya pan include support ka parliament. Ama so far yang party ki support ka parliament.
Ikwa hi mengikum ki kena Pule ki kena Samla ting ikwa hi ken ba ki ministers jong ka Jylla jungi ikwa hi ba kirut kin long ki nomi khmat haka center ani haka parliament ken jokari. Bakin present ndi tang ya kini ka Jylla ka jongi nani bakin raise ka voice ki tang hani ha Jylla jungi re kunjuk ruban bakin raise ya ka voice bakin stand ya ka Jylla ka jongi kunjuk ha ka center kan.
Ni kom ki khana Samla ni lingba ne ka mo parliament ni kwa ba kini ki nong mi khmat jongi ki badan ya ka voice ka ban pen khod ya kini ki corruption ka ba pen khod ya kini ki Jingeh jong ka Jylla ma khnang bakin ra ya kini bar kho ki Jingeh jong ka Jylla ri ka jongi kin pen poi shathi shaka sarkar kami ka baki khot ka parliament tengi kwa ro ba ke kini ki nong mi khmat ki badan ka voice kinum sakut tang hakani ka Jylla kin ra ru ya kin nang bun cha thi cha ka parliament.
Who inspired you or who encouraged you to do this?
First of all, I would like to thank you for giving us this opportunity to speak on our experience, and our teachers, our political science department teachers are the one who was who inspired us to do this and inspired us, who's been pushing us to do things that are out of the box, and we are so privileged to be able to get such an experience whereby we act, even when we're in acting, we get in the character of being like our ministers, our chief ministers, our prime ministers. We're so privileged and so grateful, and the people that are involved are all the 5th semester department, Pol Science department. So we're so grateful that we as a team we got to work on this, and it is all because of the teachers and our my fellow classmates teamwork and hard work. So that's how we did it, and the research was done by all of us with the help of our teachers, with the videos they sent us, with all the available information that we got through the internet. That's how we got to do this in a very successful manner. So thank you.
Okay, but how did you picture garden in the parliament?
So basically, when we thought of doing the mock parliament, we decided that not just the from the central, like Sonia Gandhi, Rahul Gandhi, like Sonia Gandhi should be a part of it should be a part of this mock parliament. So that's how we decided. So the chief ministers, all the ministers within the Meghalaya legislature should be there, but that's how we picture it. So I hope maybe in the future, if that is a possibility, we would love to see them. Thank you.
Right in Andy, your wife has been sitting there. She has been ready for a while now. Go for the test,
I'm
son.
already watching the test, Mom.
Son, it is important to take this test at the earliest.
Mom, why do we need to rush? What will happen even if we're late to take the test?
Look, son. You see, that is why it is important to reach on time. Go.
Within the first 3 months of pregnancy, it is important for the mother to get tested for HIV in order to prevent the baby from getting infected with HIV, so that the mother and the baby can live a healthy and long life.
Earlier the checkup,
Healthy life confirmed.
Get yourself tested for HIV during your first pregnancy checkup.